Gounder ring die biomass pellet machine. Ring die biomass pellet machine series. High strength double pressure wheel mold. Not easy to wear. Reduce friction coefficient. Extend the service life. Ensure smooth operation. The matching machine of biomass pellet machine. Wood is crushed. Fully automatic operation. Fine grinding of materials. Guarantee particle molding. Adapting multiple raw materials. Thickening ring die extrusion. Stable transmission and low noise. Molded particles are compact and flame resistant, applicable to various raw materials. Client feedback.